Hello and welcome to my shop. My name is George and I'm coming to you from Chelsea, Quebec. I've always struggled when it comes to gluing up small boxes with miter joints. This morning I tried something different. It worked really well, and it's a little method, a quick and dirty little method that I haven't seen published on YouTube anywhere, so this is definitely worthy of a YouTube video. And a short video at that. So what is it? Well, first you grab your scrappiest board. It should be pretty thick and flat-ish. And drive 4 finishing nails into it, just a little bit beyond the dimensions of your box. So mine are about 1/4 inch off each point, or 5 or 6 millimeters, something like that. Okay, then you grab a rubber band and stretch it all around the nails. You apply glue to the edges of your box. Bring the box together with the bottom. Place it inside this little fence that we've made out of rubber bands, and then lift the rubber bands onto the box. The technique here is almost self-squaring. You know, you'll adjust it a little bit, turn it upside down, do it again with another rubber band, and set it aside for the glue to cure. Now, this works really well with miter joints and small boxes. If your box is very large, you can hook a few rubber bands together, you know, by looping them inside each other, and then using a bent nail in the form of a link with an opening in the middle to hook the last two together. So you can make a very large rubber band out of that. This method should also work with rabbeted joints or rebated joints. Sometimes the thin edge of a rabbet rebate extends. It's a little bit proud. And in that case, what you would want to do is apply the same technique, but place the rubber bands this way so that you can squeeze in and get past that extended bit of rabbet, and then you would put the rubber bands around the conventional way. I got really excited by this method, and I thought I should make a YouTube video about it right away. So thank you for watching, and remember, make some time for your passion, and if you can share it, even better. Me again. Just one more quick little thing. Maybe you don't want to use rubber bands to hold your box together. You absolutely have to use clamps. In that case, you could use the rubber band method in order to temporarily hold your box together while you apply the clamps. I think in a lot of cases, clamps aren't necessary. The rubber bands work on their own, but of course, you do you, etc.